Today was a very special day at school. Aisha's mother had packed her favorite meal in her bright green lunchbox. As she walked to her classroom, she could smell the wonderful spices of her mother's homemade biryani. Aisha felt very lucky and whispered a small Alhamdulillah for her delicious food. In the classroom, Sana was looking through her backpack. She checked the big pocket, the small pocket, and even under her desk. Her face grew sadder and her shoulders slumped. "Oh no," Sana whispered to herself. "I left my lunch bag on the kitchen counter." Ayesha noticed her friend looking upset. She saw Sana's empty desk and the way she was biting her lip to keep from crying. Ayesha remembered how her mother told her that a small act of kindness is like planting a beautiful flower in someone's heart. When the lunch bell rang, the classroom filled with the sound of rustling paper and clicking plastic. Everyone began to eat, chatting and laughing. But Sana sat very still at her table, looking down at her empty hands. Her tummy gave a loud, hungry growl. Ayesha walked over and sat down right next to Sana. She clicked open her green lunchbox, and a cloud of delicious aroma filled the air. "Assalamu alaikum, Sana," Ayesha said with a warm smile. "I have plenty of biryani today. Would you like to share with me?" Sana looked surprised. "Are you sure, Ayesha? This is your favorite lunch." Ayesha nodded happily. "My mother says that when we share, Allah puts barakah in our food. That means it becomes even more special and more than enough for both of us." Ayesha used a clean spoon to scoop a big portion of the golden rice onto the lid of her lunchbox. She handed it to Sana. The biryani was full of soft potatoes and fragrant rice. As they ate together, the food tasted better than it ever had before. After the rice, Ayesha pulled out 2 sweet red apples and a handful of dates. She gave 1 apple to Sana and kept 1 for herself. They crunched on the juicy fruit and talked about their favorite games. Sharing made the meal feel like a wonderful party. Sana's tummy was full, and her heart was even fuller. "Thank you for sharing, Ayesha," she said. "You are a very kind friend." Ayesha felt a warm, happy glow inside. She realized that by giving half of her lunch away, she had gained a much bigger blessing, a happy friend. As they headed out to play, Ayesha thought about how wonderful it felt to follow the path of kindness. She knew that whenever she shared what she had, there would always be enough for everyone. Sharing with others brings love and blessings to everyone involved.